Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you some important tips for diabetic people. Diabetes has become a most common disorder nowadays. So, this video helps the diabetic people to take some important measures about their diet. Before going to tips, let's see what is diabetes. Diabetes is a disorder in which blood sugar levels, that is nothing but your blood glucose levels, are abnormally high because your body does not produce enough insulin to meet its needs. So, what does this insulin do in your body? Insulin is a hormone, moves the sugar from the blood into your cells and in turn used as energy. But in the diabetic people, body either does not make insulin or can't use the insulin which is produced. So based on this, there are different types of diabetes. First one is type 1 diabetes, which is usually seen in younger age group where there is little or no production of insulin. Then next comes the type 2 diabetes. This is usually seen in adults. Here, insulin is produced but can't do its work efficiently. Then the next condition is gestational diabetes. In this condition, blood sugar levels are high during pregnancy that results in gestational diabetes. Here, in this video, we will discuss about type 2 diabetes mellitus as it is most commonly seen. So, what symptoms you need to take attention of? Symptoms like increased hunger, increased thirst, frequent urination, especially at night times, vision, tiredness. If your wounds are not healing fast, then anyone with these symptoms need to be tested. What diagnosis you need to see if you have these symptoms? According to WHO recommendations, in a person with overt symptoms, a fasting plasma glucose or random plasma glucose measurement is often done. If your fasting plasma glucose is greater than 126 mg per deciliter or random plasma glucose is greater than 200 mg per deciliter, then the person can be considered as diabetic. A confirmatory test, OGTT, that is oral glucose tolerance test, is usually performed. Then comes the important thing, that is diet. If a person is diagnosed as diabetic, he need to take care of two important things, that is diet and physical activity. Dietary measures are an essential part of the treatment of diabetic person. Here are some guidelines need to be followed by the diabetic people. First step is that the person need to eat a variety of healthy foods from all the food groups. And timely meal should be taken, that is 3 major meals along with in-between snacks can be taken to avoid fluctuations in the blood glucose levels. And the diet should consist of complex carbohydrate and fiber because diet with high complex carbohydrates and fiber improves glucose metabolism without increase in insulin secretion and also promotes weight loss if it is needed. And comes the superfood for the diabetic people, that is fenugreek seeds, because fenugreek seeds contain high fiber and also compound trigonelline, which is a major component useful for the diabetics. The fenugreek powder can be incorporated in the preparations such as chapati, sambar, dal, vegetables, and studies shows that the requirement of the anti-diabetic medicine decreases with the use of fenugreek seeds. See, many diabetic people avoid fruits completely, but certain fruits like muskmelon, sweet lime, papaya, guava, and watermelon can be consumed as whole fruit instead of juices. Good carbohydrates like whole grains, millets, brown rice can be included as a part of your diet. Artificial sweeteners can be taken occasionally. Then, what foods you need to be avoided? Simple sugars, refined cereals like maida, sweets and pickles, deep fried foods like papads and sweetened juices, cakes, candies, roots and tubers, junk foods need to be avoided. Then next comes the oil consumption. 500 to 600 ml of oil can be consumed per month. You should not use same kind of oil for longer period Instead, you can either change the type of oil after certain period, or you can use two types of oils in a day. For example, you can use one type of oil in breakfast and one type of oil in lunch, or you can use one type of oil in one day and another type of oil on another day. So a balanced diet and the physical activity of at least 30 to 45 minutes can help in controlling diabetes. And if you are a pre-diabetic, then increased physical activity, weight loss and balanced diet helps in preventing diabetes. These are the simple tips you can follow and can control your blood sugar levels. Hope you get useful information from this video. In my next videos, I'll be sharing you the recipes which can be included in the diabetic diet. To get notified, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching.